Hello, my name is Tanzania Stevens, and I'm doing week 5 nature assignment. And basically, it's late night, and I'm in front of my building, which is a park across the street, but it's late night. And at times, when I just want to be one with nature, I will sit outside and get peace and quiet. And I just sit out here and think, or whatever I have to do to get my mind off of things. But me sitting out here late night, you don't see much people out, and it's quiet, and not even cars is coming down the block or nothing as much. But me just sitting out here, just listening to the sounds, it is very peaceful. Living life in the city of New York, Brooklyn. It's late night quiet, no much disturbance.